sundin yung passion mo, pero parang may pumipigil. So hi guys, so today I'll be talking about Neil Perry from Dead Poets Society. I'll explain his story using romanticism, which is all about emotions and freedom, and Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which explains kung paano natin hinahanap ang true self natin. And trust me, his story is powerful and heartbreaking. So, what is romanticism? Simple lang. It is a poetic tradition that focuses on feelings, passion, and pagiging totoo sa sarili. Hindi siya about rules. It's all about freedom. And sabi nga, di ba, ipakita mo kung sino ka, kahit ano pa ang sabihin ng iba. And this is exactly what Niels wants, to express himself through acting. So now, let's go to Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Basically, may levels ang human needs. From basic needs to pinaka-top, which is yung self-actualization. Self-actualization means pagiging totoo or tunay mo sa sarili mo. And for Neil, his true self is being an actor. But the problem is, yung dad niya super strict. So instead na ma-reach niya yung dreams niya, napipigilan siya. Dito sa part na to, makikita natin na Neil is finally discovering what he loves, which is yung acting. And makikita talaga natin na masaya siya sa ginagawa niya. And this is romanticism, choosing passion over pressure. But here comes the problem. His father finds out and pinipilit siyang tumigil sa kung anong ginagawa niya, na kung saan masaya siya. And this is where everything changes. From freedom, naging control. From passion, naging pressure.
Whatever the reason, we're not going to let you ruin your life. Tomorrow I'm withdrawing you from Welton and enrolling you in Brayton Military School. You're going to Harvard, and you're going to be a doctor.
But that's 10 more years. Father, that's a lifetime!
Stop it!
So Neil stuck between two worlds. Yung mundo ng passion niya at yung mundo ng expectations ng father niya. And that pressure, it builds up. According to Maslow, kapag hindi mo naabot yung true self mo, it can lead to frustration, emotional pain, and sometimes something worse. And that's exactly what happened to Neil. And then this scene, this is the most important one. While performing, Neil is finally free. Ito yung moment na siya talaga yung sarili niya. And this is self-actualization. Pero sadly, dahil panandalian lang.
Think your shape will make him quite. Or else, you are that shrewd and knavish sprite called Robin Goodfellow.
Thou speak'st aright. I am that merry wanderer of the night. I jest to Oberon and make him smile when I have fat and bean-fed horse beguile. Nay, in likeness of a filly foal. Sometime lurk I in a gossip's bowl, in very likeness of a roasted crab. And when she drink, against her lips I bob, and on the withered dewlap pour the ale. The wise
He's good. He's really
telling
good.
the saddest tale. Sometimes a 3-foot stool mistake.
So in the end, Neil's story teaches us something important. Hindi lang sapat na mabuhay ka. Kailangan mo ring maging totoo sa sarili mo. Because when your voice is silenced, it can cost everything.